All right, here are the best ways to get clients right out of the gate when you start your law firm. 1, relationships with referral sources. In those quiet first few days and weeks of starting your firm, or even leading up to when you're going to hang your own shingle, you need to be calling everyone you know in the legal industry, realtors, accountants, insurance brokers. Just tell them what you're doing. Tell them you would appreciate their referrals. Ask for any advice they have as you are embarking on this journey, and good things will come from that if people like you and they respect you, and even most importantly, if they trust that you're going to do a good job for the people they refer to you. They will refer you clients. Why does it matter that they trust you'll do a good job? Because when they refer someone to you, they're putting their reputation on the line to a certain extent based on the service that you will provide to that person. So they want to have confidence in you. So much of having good relationships and being able to interact with people inspires confidence, and that will lead to referrals. 2, legal insurance. I am probably one of the world's biggest proponents of legal insurance. I think it's a great way, especially when you're starting out, to supplement your out-of-pocket book of business as you are building up that book of business. Legal insurance can be a great supplement for some people. For some people, it's their entire practice. For me, I think a diversified practice is good in those early days. But I think legal insurance is just a great supplement to your out-of-pocket business. Of course, out-of-pocket business is more lucrative per client, but you also have to think about the cost of acquisition. How much does it cost to acquire clients? With legal insurance, you don't have to pay anything. You just sign up for one of the panels, ROG, MetLife, Legalese. If you get on those attorney insurance networks, they will refer you cases, and they pay as a third-party payer. So you have to make sure you set up your engagement letters correctly for that. You also have to make sure that you're handling these cases efficiently, because they're typically paid on the lower end of what you would expect to receive if you were doing things out of pocket. So you have to be super efficient about it. That's really the name of the game. My own experience with legal insurance cases and with lower dollar cases in general is they require an incredibly efficient system. It was just not a level of efficiency we were able to achieve with existing law practice management software, so we built our own. Whether it's client intake, getting engagement letters set up and signed properly, assigning cases to attorneys within the firm, or handling the case acceptance insurance process or the claim filing process, every part of insurance has to be more efficient. Practist is the first practice management system designed to make it easier to accept legal insurance cases and get paid for them. Without Practist, you'd have to go into the insurance company's website to get the case information, then manually enter all the case details into your practice management software, and then remember to log back into the legal insurance website after your client signs with you and accept each case in their system to prevent other attorneys from claiming it. Then, when you're finished with a case, you'd have to gather your materials from that case, such as your timesheet and any supporting docs, and once again, log back into the insurance company's system to file the claim. Practist does all that for you. You can simply search for the case, either by case number or client name, and Practist auto-populates all your case details. Your engagement letter is automatically tailored to the case and fee type. And you can send it to your client with the click of a button. When the client signs, the matter status automatically updates to open, and Practist automatically accepts the case in the insurance company's system so that no other attorney can snatch it from you. When you're ready to get paid, you can easily mark it ready in Practist. Then you or your admin can file the claim with just a few clicks directly from inside Practist. Practist automatically connects with the insurance company website and provides all the information the insurance company needs to process your claim and get you paid. Third thing to do to get clients when you're starting out: compare notes. Talk to your cohort through your bar association or personal networks, other people starting law firms. You can even find people on Reddit starting their own law firms. Compare notes about how people are getting cases and what's working for them. It's important to know people who are going through similar things as you. Some of the best ideas come from comparing notes. Obviously, all within the context of respecting attorney-client privilege. Talk about how you are building your business, finding clients, and what you're doing day to day. Don't ever worry about people in those contexts. If it feels like they're more successful than you, don't let yourself be distracted by that sort of envious feeling. That's the danger of it. but just look at it as an opportunity to learn and get good ideas that you can borrow and use. 4. Now, the fourth thing you've got to do for attracting clients, even in those early days, is keep your eye on the horizon. Eventually, you'll want clients to be coming to you. So what does that mean? It means you're doing a great job for your existing clients, even if it's the first client or two who come through the door, the figurative door, because you might have a virtual office. It means investing in your marketing, even if it's super low cost. You want to start doing whatever feels right and authentic for you, whether it's videos like this or social media or blog content. Keep a healthy mix of trying to get new clients now, but also building long-term brand value. All right, so lastly, I'll share how did I get my first few clients. The first client I ever got was at a wedding with some people from high school, and they were asking, what are you up to now? And I said, here's what I'm doing. And I tried to tell everybody who would listen, almost just for practice. I was probably a pretty horrible wedding guest, actually. But one guy said, I have a legal need, and he hired me based on one of those conversations. The second client I ever had was from somebody I reached out to when I was starting my firm. He had started one a while ago. He had a blog that was helpful for me. I said, could we grab coffee? And then he helped me out by sending a case. So much of the early days were all about that. So anyway, speaking of comparing notes, what has worked for you? Leave it in the comments, like, subscribe, check out Practist, and thank you so much for watching.